Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Jim Boyer, Marketing Manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And boy, do I have something nice to show you today. How would you like to have a virtually brand new car, under 300 miles, but save thousands of dollars compared to what it would cost you to buy it new? This is what it is. We've got a 2019 Ford Ecosport. I'm going to do a quick walk around and then I'm going to go on the inside. This thing smells new. Of course, under 300 miles, you know it's going to. This is a four-wheel drive unit, the SE model. Let me back off and you can see the back, and we'll come back here and I'll open that up for you. It actually opens from the side. Walk over here, show you the driver's side. Car's in it, basically it's immaculate condition. Of course, being a 2019 under. Now here's actually how you open it. There's actually a release button underneath there. Open this up and there is ample storage space back here. So you can see right there. I'll go ahead and go over top, show you the interior. We'll hop up there in just a moment. But there's your panel on the back. We'll go ahead and close this. Ecosports are very fuel economy friendly. So if you want something that's going to be very, very efficient on fuel, on gas, this will be the ticket for you. You have dark cloth interior. It's got stitching on it. Very beautiful car. Very beautiful car. So let's go ahead and hop up front. Show you the interior right here. It does have a sunroof in it. Show you the door panel and your window controls, mirrors. Go ahead and hop up in here. Now I'm going to go ahead and start the car for you. Now this has a butt push and start right here. So as long as you have your keys on you, in your pocket, in your purse, all you need to do is put your foot on the brake, push the pedal, or push the button, and it starts up. That's all there is to it. But let me go ahead and back off, and I'm going to show you the steering wheel. Very comfortable steering wheel. Multiple controls for your audio, cruise control on your left, as well as different items on your instrument cluster. While I'm up here, I just want to show you the mileage on this. 274 miles. So that's why I'm saying, folks, not only do you have a virtually brand new car, but you're going to have the remainder of the factory warranty from Ford. Now let me stress that. The remainder of the warranty on this car from Ford, you're going to have the ability to have that. So what peace of mind is that while you're saving money compared to buying something brand new? Here's your command center, and I'll pan down and I'll show you your heating, cooling controls. You do have 2 USB ports, and your gear shift, emergency brake. Let me pan around here. But the stitching in these seats is absolutely beautiful. In your back seat, you can see the center armrest does fold down. Let me go ahead and open the shade up here. Nice sunroof. Beautiful. Controls up here. This way if you want to open it up. Beautiful day for a drive. Hit the button again and it will close for you. It will. Trust me, it will. So, let's go back to the command center. You can see you got information here for your audio, your phone, different settings. So if you wanted to go onto your phone, of course I don't have my phone paired up to it, but this is where you do it. Go into all your settings for the different functions that you have. And the car even has built-in Wi-Fi in it. So very nice car. And like I said, especially considering, you know, only 274 miles. Smells like a new car. because it virtually is a new car. Now to turn it off, push the button. That's all there is to it. It's really that simple. Let me go ahead and hop out, but I just wanted to let you know that we have banks that are very eager to loan money on this, especially with it being a 2019. So feel free to give us a phone call, area code 740-992-4443. Thank you.